Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be making fried okra with black shrimps or swamp shrimps and oil roti. So we're gonna do the roti first. I have my flour, baking powder, and oil. I add water. And I'm going to keep kneading this for about 5 minutes. The dough is done. I'm going to put some oil at the bottom of the bowl. I'll rub the dough with some oil. I'm going to cover this. Cover with a towel. We'll leave it for an hour. My oil is hot. The first thing I'm going to do is to fry the shrimp. And to the shrimp, I'm going to add black pepper and fish seasoning. I chipped the okra and put the okra out in the sun for about 3 hours to dry out some of the slime so it would fry nice. Now I'm gonna add the garlic and wiri pepper. And I'll let that fry for 2 minutes. I'm gonna add the onion. And the okra. And salt. Now we're gonna continue to fry the okra until the okra is brown. Now I will add the green onion. The okra is done frying now. It's an hour now. We're going to put the oil in the roti. I'm gonna knead the dough for a little bit before I start to put the oil in them. I finished rolling the roti. Now I'm going to put oil in them. Rub the oil first, then sprinkle some flour. Now I'm going to tear the roti and roll. push in the bottom, then the other side like that. That one is done. Now I'll continue until I'm all done. I'm done putting oil in the roti. Now I'm going to cover again and leave for 1 hour, and then we'll make the roti. It's an hour now. I'm going to bail the roti. And I'm gonna bail it on my roti first, and then I'll start to cook. I'm gonna put the roti on the tawa. Now I'm gonna rub oil. This one is done. We'll leave it in the plate, and then we'll clap the roti in a minute. Now flip the roti on the other side, oil the roti. Now I'm gonna clap the roti, and you don't clap it the same time you remove it from the stove, otherwise you're gonna break it up. So you leave it to sit for about a minute, and then you clap your roti. Is done. This one is done. This is the last roti, and we're done. Here is my fried okra with black shrimps or swamp shrimps and oil roti. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.